In this video, the Bitcoin price has started forming a massive bullish signal which we can see across all cryptocurrencies right now, and right now we are going to dive in with this latest update for the whole crypto market. Stay tuned to know more. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabb's cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out daily technical analysis like this. So now let's dive into this video and let's give you a quick recap for our previous analysis. So di ba sa ating analysis sa I think the other day, kapon di ako nakapag-post ng video kasi I was actually out of Manila, and but di ba nagbigay pa din tayo ng update sa ating Telegram and Discord group na you can find the description down below if you want to check that. But based na sa ating previous update, what we were monitoring was this descending triangle or this falling channel forming within the hourly time frame as well as the 15-minute time frame. And diba, ito yung pinakita ko sa inyo kahapon or the other day. This is what we were monitoring within the hourly time frame. And look at this, nagkaroon tayo ng breakout. And at that time, we were waiting for a buy volume, but ngayon lang siya nagkaroon ng buy volume. So it has now actually met one of our targets exactly, which is around the 30K. But right now, what is next for the Bitcoin price? So if you're going to dive in within the short term, if you're going to look at this, Bitcoin is now actually overbought. So this is an indicator na it's not the best time to buy na. It's actually one of the best time to take profit if you're just trading for the short term. If let's say you are a scalper or day trader, then right now it's actually a time for a take profit area. But when it comes to the next move, I think what we have to do now is we have to wait out for the next move to form, because look at this, it's overbought. And right now, we are not yet forming the next indicators. And look at this, guys. If you're going to zoom back dito, we have been actually accurately monitoring this latest movement for the past month. Exactly. Look at this, how we started around May 9. And look at this. We are still within this massive consolidation. And look at how we are able to monitor this quite accurately. But right now, as of the time being, we are still seeing a massive resistance around the 30,000 US dollars. So for now, hanggat wala tayong nakikitang breakout dito above this area with buy volume, hanggat wala tayong candle close above this area with buy volume, then wala pa tayong confirmation ng breakout within the Bitcoin price action. So that is what we are seeing in the very short term. But take a look at this, guys. If you're going to look at this in the daily time frame, look at this. Right now, the Bitcoin price, diba, it has been declining for the past few days. It has been bleeding. But look at this. Bitcoin has right now started forming a bullish divergence within the 4-hour time within the daily time frame, because traditionally, whenever the price is declining while the RSI is increasing, that is a traditional sign of a bullish trend reversal. So right now, we are seeing a potential bullish movement within the Bitcoin price. So it's just a matter of time lang talaga on when we are going to see this play out. But in this case, if we are going to see this bullish trend reversal play out, then what are we going to expect with the Bitcoin price action? So I think what we can actually monitor are this following resistance, which is around the 34,000 US dollars, ito 34,000, as well as this other resistance around, siguro around the 37,000 US dollars. So those are the two target areas that we are going to monitor if we are going to play out this bullish divergence. But take note, we have to break this resistance within the 30,000 US dollars, because as long as we are still below this level without buy volume, then I don't think that this is a confirmed move yet. So right now, even though now we are seeing a potential bullish divergence and a potential bullish reversal, we must have a daily candle close above this area in order for us to confirm a move. Pero when it comes to my next trade, what would be my next trade? So in this case, we are actually seeing a bullish divergence within the daily time frame. What I might actually do is I might open a long position dito and then just set a stop loss just below the 20-day moving average. And then I'm going to use a very low leverage in this case, because of course this is in the very bigger time frame. And especially na when it comes to the short term, indecisive yung short term natin, but when it comes to the daily time frame, we are seeing a potential move right now within the whole crypto market. So right now, that is what I am going to monitor, and I am going to open that long position here in Bybit. And take note, guys, we still have our 3,000 US dollar bonus ongoing pa din with Bybit. And if you want to claim this bonus, you can actually check this one out, guys, in the description down below. And hanggang bukas na lang itong bonus na to. So as much as possible, take advantage of this opportunity na itong bonus na binibigay ng ating mga partners. And also, meron din tayo actually ongoing competition with Bybit. So if you want to join with the competition na meron kay Bybit, it's actually a total price of around 8 million US dollars. So if you want to take advantage dito sa ating bonus and giveaway ni Bybit, you can actually join dito by clicking this link in the description down below. So that is what we are actually seeing in the daily time frame. And let's dive into the weekly time frame. Look at this. Look at the logarithmic growth curve. The logarithmic growth curve is an indicator na which we have been following for the past few days. And look at this. Look at how we have been playing within this area. And it seems like na we are still playing within this consolidation area. And diba sabi ko sa inyo, whenever na we enter this green area, it's actually one of the best time to buy. When it comes to the long term, it's still one of the best time to buy. Of course, iba yung sentiment natin for the short term. But for the long term, it's actually still one of the best time to buy dito with the Bitcoin price action. Especially na, as you can see, we might see a possible bullish retracement, especially na may nakita tayong bullish divergence in the daily time frame. So right now, that is what I'm going to monitor dito with the latest Bitcoin price action. And especially na we are in this massive consolidation, we must have long patience talaga sa mga ganitong type of movement. So if I were you, when in doubt, just zoom out and always remember na the winners of the market are the ones who have the most patience dito with the crypto market. Now, when it comes to the altcoin market, look at this. Bitcoin dominance is still increasing. And as of the time being, altcoins are going to underperform against Bitcoin. So even though na meron tayong bullish divergence within the whole crypto market, we must take note that the Bitcoin dominance is still increasing. So that is indicating na right now, it's not actually the best time to invest within the altcoin market. It's still the best time to invest for the Bitcoin price action rather than altcoins. But as you can see, even though na may mga bullish divergence tayo, siguro maganda lang mag short-term trades with the altcoin market. Pero when it comes to investment for the long term, I don't think that it's the best time for the time being. So for now, I would stick to Bitcoin price action first before entering into any altcoins. But anyway, let's give you a quick update with the altcoin. And if you're going to look at this, just like with Bitcoin, Ethereum is right now forming a bullish divergence within the daily time frame. But yun nga, since Bitcoin dominance is decreasing, Ethereum might underperform within the coming days. So in this case, what I am going to target, if let's say we are going to play this bullish divergence, is I am going to target around the $2,153 as a resistance. So right now, that is what I am going to monitor within the Ethereum price action. As you can see, bullish divergence is forming. But yun nga, Bitcoin dominance is increasing. Even though na it's a good short-term trade, generally speaking, altcoins are going to underperform against Bitcoin. But anyway, ayun muna siguro update natin for the time being. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.